This 2024 Keystone Montana 3531RE is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 38 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.